How to change language on Facebook PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the language on Facebook PC. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open any web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. And now here, once you're inside the web browser, what you can do is simply go to the Facebook website. Now here, once you're inside the Facebook, what you can do is simply log in with your account, and once logged in, just click on the profile icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. Now here, once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, just click on Settings and Privacy, and after that, just click on Language option. And now here in this section, just click on Facebook language, and after that, on the next page, you can simply search for the language that you want to change to, and after that, we can just click on it, or you can search for the language and select the language. And once you do that, the language will be changed to the preferred language that you have selected. And that's it. That's how you can change Facebook language on PC. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.